Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about the tips to grow your followers on Instagram. Tip number 1. Post content consistently. Post content every day or every other day. Make sure to post relevant content that your followers will thank you for getting that valuable content from you. Tip number 2. Upload videos and stories. Video content are mostly viewed by people rather than still photos. People's attention span is shorter nowadays, so make sure that the first 5 seconds of your video will catch the attention of your viewers. Instagram stories are widely used today on Instagram. It's easier to share videos on Instagram as stories, and it's also fun to watch. Tip number 3. Use hashtags. You can create your own branded hashtags that you can encourage your followers to use and tag your business with their posts. Tip number 4. Like photos of other people. You can like the photos of other people's posts and leave a genuine message about that post. Doing this will make them notice you and your brand. Tip number 5. Host a contest. People always participate in contests since they want to win the prize they would get if they win. One way to let people participate on contests is to repost or share the image you created for the contest and list the instructions such as sharing the image, tagging 5 of their friends, and follow your Instagram and Facebook page. And lastly, use the branded hashtag for that contest. That way, it will be easier for you to search for posts of people who joined the contest by searching the hashtag on Instagram. Now that you've learned tips to grow your followers on Instagram, we can now proceed to the next topic, which is turning your Instagram followers into customers. Engage with them. Interact with your customers when they comment on your posts or send you a direct message on your Instagram business account. This gives an impression that you care about your customers and not only for promoting your products and generating sales. Offer seasonal promotions. People love getting discounts. Even if they don't need a product to purchase, there's an urgency to buy when they know that they could save about 25% from buying a product for a limited time offer. When you slash off 10 to 30% from the original price, people will be attracted to that post. You'll notice additional followers and potential buyers who want to avail that discount right away. Partner with influencers. Influencers have already built a huge number of their followers on Instagram. If they're on the right niche related to your business, you can target their followers. When these influencers post their picture trying and using your product, you can expect their followers to be eager to try that same product for themselves. They'll be asking where to purchase and how to purchase that product. Promote giveaways and contests. Giveaways and contests are a great way to attract more followers on your Instagram account, and they can eventually turn into customers. People love to receive free stuff. When they get a picture of a preview of what they would get after winning the giveaways or contests that you run, they will be willing to do any of your instructions to win. This is your chance to ask them to like your post, include a branded hashtag for the giveaway or contest, and tag or share the post to 5 of their friends. It's also a way of letting your customers try your product for free. They will appreciate your product more since they worked for winning and getting that prize. If they loved your product, they could recommend it to their friends and buy more and purchase more of your products, turning them into your loyal customers. Give value to your posts. Educate your followers or viewers with the benefits they can get when they use your products. Target the problem they have and how your products or services can solve their problem and save them time. That way, they won't be hesitant on investing on your products or services. Include a URL link in your bio to your website. You can direct your followers to your website or a landing page. You can ask for their name and email address if you have a mailing list. Let your followers know that they can receive special promotions if they are subscribed to your mailing list. Also, you can direct them to your website where they can see more of your products and purchase from there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.